Hi everybody. This is a tablet case for my Microsoft Surface Pro 6 that I picked up on Amazon for about $20. So let's take a look at the outside of the packaging real quick. And let's open it up and see what comes inside. So here's what the label says with the part number. And it says it works with the Surface Pro 4, 5, and 6. So the reason I got this is because it includes this strap so that I can hang this, for example, from the back seat of a car and let the tablet hang so you can watch a movie. It actually looks a little bit flimsy, but I guess it needs the rigidity of the tablet so that it works right. And then this, that's hard plastic. Wasn't expecting that. I thought it would be softer material. Well, no big deal. Let's see this. So this looks like also hard plastic that's been molded together with this softer rubber material. And also has a pen holder. So let's take a look at the tablet real quick. So just a Surface Pro 6. And I'm guessing it's not that difficult. So let's just put it together. It looks like you just sort of snap it in here. Oof, man, it's actually kind of a tight fit. I guess that's good. Huh. Alright, that's not too bad. So it is notched out to be used with the type cover. So I'm not too crazy about that because I don't use a type cover with my tablet. Oh, look at that. So I should have opened the kickstand first. So let me reposition this. Man, this is kind of difficult to get back off. Which I guess that's also a good thing. Alright, that's not going to work. I have to take this all the way back off now. Wow, this is hard to get out. Oh, no it's not. Actually, you just kind of slide it in. Alright, let's see. Open that first. Tuck that in. Tuck that in like that first. And then line this up on the sides. And slide it up. Okay, that's how you do it. Okay, cool. All right, now this thing works good. So I guess the deal is you're supposed to slide this over the kickstand. Let's see what that looks like. It's not too bad. Not too great, but not too bad. Yeah, I guess that's how it fits. I think that's sort of weird. I don't really like that handle strap on the back, but I guess it is a nice way of just picking it up. So yeah, like I said, it comes with this strap, and I'm not going to hook this up right now, but basically the strap goes between those two holes there and these two holes here, and then I can use the strap to hang it up on the back of a car seat. So yeah, not too bad. I think it'll work out good. So pretty cool. And then of course my Surface Pen snaps right in the top, which I'm not too crazy about that, but what are you going to do? Let me see if it'll stick on the side. Yeah, it sort of does. But it's definitely a weaker magnet. So I think you do need the pen clip up top. So let's check out the sides. Yeah, it looks like it's got room for the dock connector, USB-C, and of course the video port. And then it's got little rubber buttons for the power and the volume. Now this is definitely not going to work. That's the headphone jack, and that is really deep in there. So that's definitely a fail. So I'm going to take this back apart so I can put the strap on it. I was going to wait, but might as well test it out now. Okay, set that down. Huh, there's like little plastic release tabs. That's weird. Yeah, it feels strong enough. Okay, so from what I saw, I think you have to sort of thread this through. And once you get it through on that side, you put the clip through the loop, pull up, and there you go. So there's one side done. I guess that's why they make it releasable, so that you can actually do this without having to pull the entire strap through the loop. Put that in there. Okay, so there's the two hooks. That's kind of cool. All right. And next, hook this back on. So, put that there. Put that there. Yeah, that's not too bad. I mean, it's definitely shaky, but yeah, what do you want, right? All right, put the tablet back in it. Okay, that looks good. Flip that over. All right, that looks good on this side. Silly little plastic cover. All right. Yeah, not too bad. So, pretty cool. Well, if you have any questions or any comments, post them below. And thanks for watching. And if you like my videos, please subscribe.